Okay. So it's another day. Guys, make you share the live. Hello everyone. Let's say our page for your traveling tickets. Venus Beck. Okay, bro, I see you. Venus Beck traveling tour. I know them. Guys, make sure you share the live. 30 people at least. Minimum 30 people before we start the class for today. Okay? And today, suggest what I should teach because I didn't actually plan to teach, so I did not prepare anything. So suggest the topic let's tackle today. Okay? I did the see and did say what the yes to do. Am I and you we are your doom. Mama bedroom in a me. On the million doom. Mama bedroom. Other blocks also. Okay, more topics. What should we study today? So guys, double tap your screen, share the live, invite more people. Less than 30. I'm not doing anything. Okay, so share the live. Let's get at least 30 people on the call. Then we start today's activity. Okay, so make you share the live. Guys, share the live, Guys, share the live, double tap your screen. We still have 15 people. We have to get at least 30 before we start today's activity, okay? How to recognize breakout, fake out. But we taught that yesterday, bro. We talked that yesterday, didn't we? Guys, didn't we handle that yesterday? How to identify breakouts. I taught that yesterday. So, what are you saying, bro? Okay. I get you, yes, we don't time, we don't time. The bed says, okay, guys, make sure you share the live, share. Let's get 30 people before we start the class. Okay, so double tap and share the live. What's the reason today? And also how to identify potential sells and buy zones. We still have 16 people, guys. Less than 30. We are not doing anything. Okay, so share the live. Let's get at least 30 people on board. Okay, nobody has shared even once. So guys, share. We still have 17. Yeah, keep sharing. When people hear share, yeah, like I don't get it too. Nobody will share. They will not share yet. But it's not nice now. At least just press the share button and share. And also add my baby man. Yeah. Hey, I remember this was one of my favorite songs in 2020. Yeah, the money. It was my favorite song in 2020, I swear. Because the way that time I wanted to make money. Oh God. Guys, we still at 24. Keep sharing. And also like. Even those in the community are not coming. Let me go and sleep. If I'm a break. And say if I'm going to teach you guys and you don't want to come out, let me go and sleep. Max International. Who is this? Kill Switch. Who are you? Yeah, Max International, I swear, bro. Who are you? Identify yourself. Ayo! So why are you using that name? Yeah. Alright guys, so we have 30 people now, so we can start, okay? So yesterday we spoke about how to identify breakouts and fakeouts, okay? how to identify breakouts and fakeouts. That was yesterday's topic, and by the end of yesterday I made you guys understood that for you to see a fake out, it means that there is a breakout in the lower time frame, but there is no breakout in the higher time frame. That's all the cause of fake out. Okay, that's the cause of fake out. Even though fundamentals can also give you fake out, and sentiment can also give you fake out, but the major cause of fake out, like a real fake out, which usually takes your money and take my money those days, not today, is that you will see a breakout in 5 minutes, and then you based on this to make your entry, and then it hits your stop loss. You're going. Okay. Good night. Alright. So based on the fact that you saw breakout in 5 minutes, you didn't check has 30 minutes broken, or has H1 broken? You didn't check. But because you saw 5 minutes breakout, oh guys, break and retest. So you entered at the retest and it messed your life. That's a fake out. Okay? So if you are looking for a breakout, yesterday I also made you guys understood this. You have a resistance here, okay, and the market is trading, getting closer to the resistance, and then you saw a candle breakout. This is 30 minutes candle, okay, 30 minutes time frame. Then 30 minutes candle broke the resistance. Quickly go to H1 and check if H12 has been broken or not. If H1 hasn't been broken, do not make an entry for a buy yet. Okay? Do not make an entry for a buy yet, simply because you've seen that 30 minutes has been broken. Wait for the H1 to break as well. And if H1 also closes above the zone, do you know what will happen here? 30 minutes candle, let's say, so this is it, okay, we have 30 minutes breakout candle like this, okay, this is your zone, and there is a strong bullish 30 minutes candle. When you come to H1, you are going to see the same H1 candle, okay. So since H1 has not closed and 30 minutes has closed, it means H1 has additional 30 minutes before H1 candle will close. Since this one has closed and this one hasn't closed, it will have additional 30 minutes. At that time, if the breakout is real, okay, if the breakout is real, this is what will happen. Is either this candle will give you something like another bullish candle, or it will give you a reversal bearish candle, okay, but this bearish candle will still close above the zone, and by the time H1 will close, this is what is going to happen, and then you are going to see a wick, okay. At that time, this will also tell you that the zone has been broken, right? Yes. And this one too, this candle will be a retest candle. So the next H1 candle will be like this and fly, leaving a wick here. And then you're also going to see a wick. Oh no. Like this Okay, strong candle and a small wick. Guys, I'm sorry, it's not really clear enough, but I'm sure you understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, so once H1 candle, this candle closed, you are going to see this. Well, okay, I'm supposed to use a different color so that it will not confuse some of you. Okay, yeah, so this is H1 time frame, this is 30 minutes time frame. As long as you see this 30 minutes closure and this candle also closes and it didn't close below, definitely H1 will break. Okay, I don't know if you get the scenario I'm trying to give you. This is H1 candle, okay, and when 30 minutes got broken, H1 was full bodied candle. But remember, it has not closed yet. Okay, so as this 30 minutes candle opened and it was pulling back to test the breakout, H1 candle will be melting, leaving a wick at the top. Okay, so by the time that this candle will close, we are going to see H1 like this with a wick above. But since it also closed above the zone, it means the zone has been broken. This 30 minutes breakout is real. Okay, so this is a 30 minutes pullback candle. So the next H1 candle will drop a little and then push up, close bullish, strong bullish, and this is what is going to happen on 30 minutes time frame. Have you seen some before? Have you seen some before? You guys are too quiet. What's going on? Have you guys seen some before? Hi. You guys should talk. Well, I'll just lecture and go, and I will assume everybody understands. Right. So when this breakout is fake, this is what is going to happen. When a breakout is fake, I will not explain again. I asked you, have you guys seen before? You guys didn't mind me. I will not explain again. What I was saying was that we have a resistance, okay, and the market is pushing up from here, pushing up, is bearish, and it's reached this resistance level, and then this is 30 minutes time frame, okay. Then you saw a strong bullish candle closing above the zone. Okay, I hope you are paying attention. When you see this in 30 minutes, when you come to H1, you're also going to see strong bullish. Okay, you are going to see this. But since this is a 30-minute candle closure, this is H1. Remember, H1 has not closed yet. Okay, let's say this is around 9:30 Ghana time, 9:30 a.m. So after this candle closed, this candle has additional 30 minutes to close. Then you will see that the next 30 minutes candle that will open, since this one has been broken, the next candle will open bearish. Okay, the next candle will open bearish. Now, as this opened bearish and closed bearish, this is what is going to happen to this H1 candle. You are going to see this. What is this? This is a pin bar, right? And since it closed below the zone, look at what happened here. This one has also given you a bearish engulfing. But remember, this one broke the zone already. But because 30 minutes has not closed yet, you see that 30 minutes closed below the zone. That is why this one closed bearish. So if you were looking for a break and a retest, this one is not going to give to you. Because since this one closed bearish, the next candle will open like this and sell. And once this is also having bearish engulfing, so the next candle will also be bearish. Then your stop loss was just below here, SL, and your SL got hit. Okay? Why? Because you didn't wait for this candle to close. If you allowed this candle to close, you would have known that it is closing bearish, so there is no need for you to buy. So this is the fake out. Do you understand now? Guys, do you understand? I think I'm supposed to put it somewhere here. Guys, do you understand? Oh, I am on class and alright, so if you are not patient enough, fake outs usually catch people who doesn't have the patience to wait. Okay, so how you guys have been observing these days, I hardly hit stop loss, even though I would say I'm in my winning streaks. Okay, but it's also about the patience I get towards the market, right? Yeah, and my winning streaks, I thank God. Because I remember some months back, I was bleeding, serious bleeding. And now, I'm in my winning streaks. And it's also about how patient I have towards the market. I wait. Okay? Yeah. So, if you want to avoid fake out, always, this is what you have to do. Always, I'll write it so that you know I'm serious about it. A candle to close. Okay, it's quite simple. If you want to avoid fake out, always make sure you wait for a candle to close before you take an entry. Don't enter in the middle of a candle which has not closed. Okay, so if you are a swing trader, never, I repeat, never enter the market when H4 candle has not closed. Okay, never enter the market when H4 candle has not closed. Also, as a day trader, always wait for H1 candle to close before you make a trading decision. Okay, if you do this, most of the times you are going to be fine. Any question? Guys, the attendance is still small. Maybe, what is the reason? And I'm for you okay. People are okay, they don't want to study. Or is it because it's free? Because the attendance is not encouraging. I'm sure there are people who have not been here. They are here today. So those people who started with me right from day one, where are they? Those people who attended the session yesterday, where are they? Those people who enjoyed signals today, where are they? So if I say the attendance is not encouraging, maybe I'll think of what to do next. Okay? Maybe I'll just stop and then charge you people to teach. I'll stop and charge. And if I'm stopping this, I'm not going to teach anybody. If you want me to teach you, I'll charge $300. And if you can't get it, I'll stay in my house. I'll trade and sleep. Okay? Yeah. So you have to encourage me. What you can do to encourage me is just by inviting other people to join. I come here, I open the live and I see 300 people listening and learning that. Every day I will do live. But here is the case, you will come and see 20 people, 30 people, that kind of thing. You see, say, sometimes it doesn't encourage me at all. Okay? I'm here from yesterday and the day before and tomorrow too. Alright, so let's continue. Like I was saying, make sure you wait for a candle to close before you make an entry. This will prevent you from fake out. Okay? So this is what we did yesterday. Any question about fake out and breakout before we tackle today's activity? Any question about fake out and breakout before we tackle today's activity? Okay, bro. If you are new here and you haven't joined the Telegram community, the link is in the bio. You can join, okay? Any question about fake out and breakout? Any question? After breakout, we should wait for a retest as well. Oh yeah. Yes. What will make you like? What is the guarantee that it has finally broken? You have to get a retest, and when the retest happens, you should also get a confirmation. Okay. After the retest, so this is it. We have breakout followed by retest, followed by confirmation, followed by entry. Okay? So when you come into the market, if you are trading breakout and retest, this is what you should follow. Make sure you wait for the breakout, get the retest. After the retest, get a confirmation before you enter the market. If you don't follow this, fake out will also catch you, because you might think now there has been a breakout, it is retesting, but there might not be a breakout in the higher time frame like I explained here. So you are not going to get the confirmation you are looking for, and at the end of the day, the market will sell or buy and hit your stop loss. Okay, so make sure you get a confirmation after the retest. So when the market comes, it breaks out. Okay, you see a nice breakout, a nice breakout. Okay, and then market retraces or retest the breakout level, gets a confirmation. And what is the confirmation you are looking out here? I am not going to say it. I want you to tell me, what confirmation am I looking for at here before I take my sell? What confirmation am I looking out for? Please, media, I don't know anything. Okay. Can we scout by this strategy? Oh yeah. Bearish engulfing. Okay, yes. What else? Bearish engulfing. What else? So you should expect to see bearish engulfing. What else? Evening star. What else? No, don't. It's only you. Don't say anything again. Okay, Porsche evening star. What again? Morning star or evening star. Tweezer top. Good. Good. Yeah. So when you see somebody said morning star or evening star, bro. No. We are talking about breaking support here. Okay? The market is selling down and it has broken a support. So what are you looking out for? You are looking out for a bearish engulfing, evening star, tweezer top. Okay? A tweezer top or what again? A pin bar or a doji, which I don't normally use them. Okay. What about patterns? Yeah, patterns are also parts. You can also get a double top. You can get double top. You can get S&H, head and shoulder. You can get those flags. So many. But for break and retest, it's not all the, you hardly get double top. Break and retest, you hardly get double top. Break and retest, you can get head and shoulder on break and retest, you can. But double top, it's difficult to find double top on break and retest. Hanging man, okay. Yeah, so chart patterns also play a role here, okay. That was the topic I was going to treat today, but let's still do this and see. So guys, I hope it's fair now. So if you are waiting, whilst you are waiting for the market to break here, now at what point should you expect a breakout? That's my question for you. At what point should you expect a breakout on a zone like this? At what point should you expect a breakout? That's my question for you. Inverted, inverse. It's inverse head and shoulder, not inverted. At what point should you expect break and retest on a zone? So how can handle its impulsive candles not test that area? Your question isn't clear, bro. At what point should you expect a break and retest on a zone? Oh, maybe is my question really clear? Like, at what point? Or what conditions? At what conditions does allow support to be broken or resistance to be broken? I don't know if my question is clear. Maybe when the market is approaching major key level, do we have people here who doesn't understand English? Who doesn't understand G? Okay. So this is what I'm trying to say. Maybe me bro for yet. It's what I want to okay? Yeah. Now we have this zone as your support. The market is coming down, okay, and it got here. What will make this level break and retest and keep selling. Like, on what condition, on what basis does it usually make the market breaks structures? I said, the more I try to explain, the more I answer the question myself. No, I can't speak Chi because we have different countries. Okay, we have people from different countries, so I can't speak Chi. Okay, maybe let me give you a clue. But if I give you a clue, you're also going to get the answer, and I want you to think to get the answer. But I don't know how to put it that. I don't want to hear like a bit challenging. But okay, so then let me tell you. For the market to break a zone, okay, for price to break a zone, or for price to break a level, it has to get at least 3 touches. Okay, so on the 4th touch, it has potentials to break. Okay, to break, and that is 50. This was the answer I was looking for. The market makers want to take the liquidity out. I wanted to know at what point in time does the market break structure? And it breaks structure when the market touches the zone multiple times. After 3rd touch, the zone becomes weaker and weaker, so it can break. Okay, yeah. So when the zone gets multiple touches, like plenty touches, it has potentials to break. Okay, so me, according to my strategy, I've told you guys that when the market comes, we have a zone. Now, as soon as this rejection happens, I have a zone already. Then later it comes back to the zone. That will be support fresh or fresh support. It will give me a buy. When it comes again, that will be a 3rd touch, and that will give me a sweet buy. Okay, but when it comes again for the 4th time, at this point it becomes 50-50. It has potentials to break and it has potentials to respect. So it's a 50-50 chance. Okay, it's a 50-50 chance. So when you see a support or resistance zone which has gotten 1, 2, 3 touches, and the market is coming again for the 4th touch, be open. Don't be too rigid. This is a support zone, so I must buy. I must. You'll be in a deep shit. Okay? So, in this case, be open to both scenarios. If the market rejects, you buy after seeing your confirmation. If it doesn't and it breaks, don't be too rigid. Those days, I used to do that. I have seen that the zone has been broken. All indications are telling me the market is selling, but I will still be holding buy, and I will be layering until a point when I can no longer handle the loss. Then I cut, and you see that I'm in a deep shit. Who has gotten this experience before? You bought, okay? The market came to the price came to your zone, and you entered buy without waiting for any confirmation. Without waiting for any confirmation, and you bought. As soon as you bought, the market went down against you, breaking the zone. What are you supposed to do? you have to just cut loss. But you'll be like, oh no, this thing will still go because I see another support here. So let me hold a little. Let me hold a little. And the market will be coming and you'll be layering. You'll be layering because you were expecting that the market will hit a certain level and push up. So you'll be enter more buy. When the thing is seriously selling. So it will get to a point where you can no longer handle the loss. You have $200, okay? You have $200 account, and then you entered 0.05 at 22.57, okay? 0.05, and this was the zone. Then instead of it to push, it broke the zone, of which you have seen it. Now the market is coming all the way to 22.54, and you keep adding positions. Remember, here this is 0.05 from 57 to 54. That is 30 pips. So, or at even here alone, you are running $15 with one position. What if you have opened 4 positions from here to there? This one, and let's say every 10 pips you enter position. So 57 is giving you $15. 56 is giving you $10. 55 is giving you $5. Okay? So total, you are running $30 loss. Then you keep layering. You keep layering. Layer. Then you come to 22.50. How many pips? 70 pips. Now you realize that your account is now running $120. But initially you had a plan to cut loss when the trade runs 50 pips, $50. Okay? $50, you close negative. You close. Now, because you are too rigid, why ding by way? You don't want to accept the loss here. Okay? You are still trying, expecting the market to go. With that your chicken change here, no? You are expecting to push the market. So you keep adding positions. And now you are running $120. Then you'll be like, hey, Charlie, should I close this trade or nah? I cannot afford to blow this account. So do you know what you will do? You will wait, and the thing will still come to 22.49, and your trade will be $150. At that point, you will say, Charlie, I can't blow this account. So you close the trade, and you have lost $150 with just one trade. But if you had accepted that no, this zone has been broken, so let me get out, you would have closed just $50. As for them for I don't do layering, okay, all the time. Yeah, you don't do it, but a lot of people does it. Even myself, I will show you. I'll go and look at it. If I go and try, if I will see it, I will show you. There was a day, I think last year January or February, I was managing someone's $400 account, and this was what happened. That day, the way I bled, past tense of bleed is bled, right? If not bled, then I have forgotten. Tell me. That day, Charlie, I lost about $300. See, the market was pushing up, and I was having a zone for sale. Okay, so I already started layers. At that time, I used to like layers, Papa. Open layers and I'm layers. I swear, I could layer because I learned a strategy from some guy, and that person, that guy, all he does is layers. So whenever he sends a screenshot, you will see that he has been layering plenty positions. Sometimes he can even open like 100 positions. Let's say if he wants to risk $100 krana, he can open 0.02, 0.02 multiple positions. Okay, but it's still the same his risk. I didn't know that. So as he is layering, I will also be punching pa. I'll be punching sell, or buy. Forgetting that I have not calculated my risk. So I started layering. When the market started getting to my zone, I started layering, and initially it was 0.02. Okay, 0.02. Then here was 0.04, 0.06, 0.08. So that was martingale. As the market was going high, I was adding bigger positions that day. So the account was running massive loss. The zone has already been broken, but as one thing, I don't want to close the trade in loss. So I want to hold for the market to reverse, give me profit before I close. And this was what happened. The thing ran $200 loss. The account is $400, and I was running $200 loss. And you know what happened? It got to a certain level. There was another resistance at the top. When it reached there, it respected. Okay. At that time, I was running $200 and something loss. So it started dropping. And I had not stopped the layer, so I was still layering. So I layered that zone. And then it started dropping. So it dropped there, and I wanted it to come here, so that all the trades will be in profit, and I close. And then it got here, and I remember clearly the trade was then running $33 loss. Massa, $33 there, it will still go down, so I will hold. I didn't close the positions. Then 15 minutes, a strong bullish candle, bullish engulfing. I wish I had closed this position. Now from $34, it is running 76. Should I close 76? Never that. I will never close it. So I still hold. I held the positions. Then it came back to the 200 and something loss. Boom! It broke the level again. It broke here, and I was still holding. Oh God! Then the trade went about 320. I called the guy and I was like, bro, at this point you have to add some money to the account so we can secure it. He was like, Charlie, I don't even have money, so I have $50 spare. I said, no problem. So I also, at that time, we had made some profit earlier, and I was having $80 saved somewhere. I withdrew the $80, sent to him to deposit into the account so that we can secure the account. He also added additional $50 to it, and I kept doing my layers. Goodness. So I layered until when I had no free margin, and the market kept flying. It flew, and you know what happened? We were having no money to secure it again. So that day, the way it showed me, as soon as we had a margin call at another resistance BO, and it got into that resistance, it was trying to pass it a little. Then we had margin call, we didn't have money, so the account was blown. As soon as the account blew, the market dropped, came somewhere here. And if we were having even $10, if we were having like $10 to add up, we would have enjoyed massive profit. But we were not having any money again, and because the guy was also afraid to put in more money, so he didn't, and the account blew. And after it blew, the market dropped. It was news time. It dropped, came somewhere here, and from there it pushed up massively again. What can you learn from this story? It happened to me. Okay, it happened to me. I was still a newbie, bro. You have no idea. I have lost millions from this layers issue. It's really serious. Oh yeah, it's called Martin Go. So relatable. Yeah, that draw down will stress you. Funny how the market will always give you a chance to leave, but you will never take it. Exactly, overconfidence. You are still a newbie. It happened to me before. It happened to me today. Yeah, today too. People are still doing it. My network is bad today. Sorry, you are not alone. Yeah. So guys, it happens a lot. Sometimes when you see the zone has been broken, you have to accept. Close. You are not the only person closing a trade in loss. But as one thing, like, you don't want to lose the money. So you will keep holding, holding. And then you will get to a point where you can no longer hold the position. I will tell you another one. I was managing someone's $100. Can you imagine $100? How fair it is? And me and layers. That was still last year, January. Yeah, January. I started layering. That one I was using 0.02, 0.02. I layered that, and the trade was still running in loss, about $45. I said no, I can't hold anymore. According to my strategy, I said I will cut loss at $10 because I want to risk $10 to make $20 and I'll close for the day. But because I was still expecting, hoping that the trade will come to profit, I ended up closing $40. Okay, and closing $40. As soon as I closed this trade, the market fell down, came to give me profit. Oh guys, it's raining. Okay. Oh yeah, but I did some. Guys, it's raining here, so maybe I will end the live because you can't hear me. Okay? You can't hear me. Let me read comments. Observational stop loss. Yeah. So I ended up closing $40, and right after closing, it dropped massively, and it would have given me profit, but due to fear, I didn't want to blow the account, so I had to close the trade in loss. Okay, what I'm trying to tell you is that when you see that your zone has failed, okay, when the zone fails, cut loss. Sometimes you don't even need to wait for SL. Okay, sometimes you don't need to wait to hit SL before you get out. Just get out, cut loss. Some people fear, okay, what if I cut loss and the market reverses? So I will hold. They will hold down until it hits their SL, but that is not the best. Even though some people will tell you SL or TP, but sometimes cut your losses short and hold your profits longer. Okay, so that's the last statement for you. It's raining hard and you guys can't hear me, so I'll end the live. God willing, tomorrow you'll continue. Okay, yeah, it's raining here. It's raining really hard. So guys, I'll just end the live, then we continue on tomorrow. Okay, so just take care of yourself. If you haven't joined the Telegram community, the link is in the bio. Okay, you can join, and then tomorrow we will see what to do. Okay, I should continue on. What can I say? You can't even hear me. Or me, I can talk, but you can't hear, so it's better we just end it. Okay, it's better we end the live, then tomorrow we continue on. But remember, NFP is coming. NFP is coming Friday, and on Friday I will deposit $100 in an account and risk it. Okay, I will deposit $100 in an account and risk. I'll risk everything, all the $100. Either I'll lose all the $100, or I will make $300 or $400 on the same $100 account. Okay, so if you have the vim, if you are courageous enough and you want to risk like myself, let us meet. Okay, we will meet. Oh, nice one. Loud and clear. Okay, if you haven't joined the Telegram community, go and join, because you guys have seen that these days all the signals I give to the community, I give to you as well. Send the signal on Telegram during NFP, and you were expecting Telegram link like signal about you, because if I would do TikTok live to trade NFP, it will be difficult to send signal. Okay, it will be very difficult to send a signal to you. So if I would trade live, what you should do is to join the live, so that when I tell you when I'm buying, you will buy as well. Where I'm selling, you will sell as well. NFP live trade. I will try and see if I will trade live with you people. Okay, what did you teach? I didn't really teach a new topic. It was just yesterday's, what we studied yesterday, and I was also sharing some kind of experience, how I was holding some shit positions and blew some accounts. Okay, yeah, so I didn't really teach today. And this was the buy we took this morning, and I'm sure you guys enjoyed, like here. Yeah, so that would be better. We will join live on NFP. I will see if I will come live. Okay, I will see. I don't know. On Thursday during the market outlook, I will tell you, because as it stands now, okay, looking at daily candles, NFP will still do what it did last month, when it went all the way up and down at the same time. I hope you guys remember. Where was it? February, March. Where was it? Let me check. NFP. Which day was NFP? I'm new here. I want to be your student. All right. You can join Telegram community. The link is in the bio. Search for PiP Hunter community and join. Then you can chat me. Okay. I missed the buy this morning. What time do you go live for New York session? I don't do live these days, so I don't really trade live. Like, I used to do that, but I stopped because later I realized that it was affecting me somehow. And the reason was that sometimes I will see some trade, and for me to enter, I will be scared. Like, what if it hits stop loss? Somebody on live will say, this guy doesn't know anything, this guy blah blah blah. You see that kind of thing. Yeah, so it was difficult for me to actually come live, so I decided to stay away from live. I get my own signals, I trade, I share with you. That one is stress free. Okay, yeah, so that's why I've stopped doing live in the morning, and now I'm teaching you guys in the evening time, because at that time NFP was 8th March. Okay, let me check. 8. Okay, so this particular candle, which came down before flying. It came down, bro. How are you doing? I'm good. Yeah, so it was actually not helping me. Sometimes you enter trade and somebody will be like, oh, no, don't buy, we are selling. It is a sell. And some people will be confused. That's why I stopped trading live. Okay, so me these days, when I see my confirmation, I stay in my room and I enter. Okay, so this is my setup, and I trade on this PC alone. I don't trade on phone. I will just enter and I forget about it. Okay, yeah, then I'll allow the market to decide. It is helping me a lot. All right, so that's why I don't do live again during morning and live trading, but I'll try and trade NFP with you guys this week. Okay, I'll try. But remember, if you are going to trade NFP with me, be ready to lose that money. Let it be some amount of money you are willing to lose. So like I'm saying, I will deposit either $100 or $200, and the amount I will deposit, I am ready to lose everything. Okay, I'll be ready to lose everything before I will trade live NFP. Okay, so either I'm losing everything or I'm tripling it. So if I'm trading $200, it's either I'm losing all the 200 or I'm making 600 out of it. Okay, yeah, so be ready to lose money before you trade live on Friday. Okay, be ready to lose money before you trade live. Guys, as you can see, it's really raining here very hard. So I'm going to end the live. Why is gold still going up this crazy? Yeah, gold is just going up. A lot of people are buying gold. Interest rates. But if you look at US interest rates, you realize that dollar index is going bullish. Gold is going bullish. Right? Dollar index is bullish. Gold is bullish. So NFP, I'm expecting gold to hit 2300. Okay? Here. NFP 2300. That level here. Okay? 2300. It's likely gold will hit here this week. This week, gold may hit this level this week. So let's watch out, okay? Don't look for a sell. If you must sell gold, it should be some few pips, okay? Don't hold sells for too long. If not, you will be in a deep shit. So hold some few pips, you close, you come back the next day and you trade again, okay? All right, guys, so thank you all for staying here with me. If you want to reach out to me, go to Telegram, okay? Go to Telegram and send me a message. And for you to go to Telegram, what you have to do is to click on my bio, okay? When you click on my bio, you are going to see, let me show you. Yeah, so this is my other account, okay? So what you have to do, click on this, right? Then you click on this as well. You see the link in there. Just click on this link. Good. This is my Xness link you can use to create your account. This is Kortana, the pro firm we are using. Oh. So you just scroll down, PiP Hunter community. That's the Telegram channel. Okay? So you can join, just click on it and it will take you straight away to Telegram. Alright, so that's the Telegram community. I have 1,170 members, and if you go through, this is a Kortana account. I have passed it already. Okay, and this is the morning signal. A lot of people enjoy it. A lot of people enjoy it. Okay, yeah. So if you haven't joined, just follow that process and you can join. So what are your reason and confirmation that gold will fall to that level on NFP? Gold will not fall. Gold will still rise because the monthly candle is bullish, weekly is bullish, all of them daily is bullish. So it may continue to buy, and if it is buying, definitely that is a strong psychological level. Okay, 2300 is a strong psychological level, so the market can test that level and drops. All right, let me give you the last love tonight, bro. Thanks. Okay guys, so good night. I'll see you all tomorrow. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. So enjoy your evening. God willing, tomorrow we shall meet. Okay, bye.